Today we are going to be going to Mexico. So this is a shorter trip because we are staying on the same continent of North America. We're just going to the country below us, where the rest of the week we have been flying all the way over to Europe. So Christmas in Mexico looks a little bit different. In Mexico, children celebrate Las Posadas. Children spend 9 days traveling from house to house reenacting the first Christmas. At the last house, they celebrate by having a fiesta with a piñata. Poinsettias are a traditional Christmas decoration, so they are a type of flower. You've probably seen them before. Your parents even may have them as decorations during Christmas time. So now that we've gone over this, make sure you head to the next video so we can do our packet together. After that, you're going to go to our Christmas classroom for Mexico, and there's lots of information that you can learn from there.